As far as development opportunities, Dutchland offers quite a bit, really. We have a standard tuition reimbursement program, which a lot of companies have, but we really try and leverage that, especially with individuals that really want to apply something formally in education to something they're doing on a day-to-day basis, and they truly want to grow within that role. We also do something called Baking 101. So every new employee that comes into the organization that wouldn't normally work as an operator on the floor comes out, works side by side with the operators in each of the cells that we have. This is a great introduction to understanding exactly what it's like on a day-to-day basis to make a lot of the great products that we do. Understand some of the challenges that our operators face, and really, again, kind of keep your finger on the pulse of what's going on in the organization.
The growth at Dutchland Plastics and opportunities for the employees to further their careers is very good. When I started at Dutchland Plastics, I actually started working on the floor and worked my way through the ranks, through quality, shipping, everything, and ended up in scheduling, which I really enjoyed doing.
I actually started out on the floor, and I was given the opportunity to become in purchasing, a buyer. And from there, I also moved on to customer service rep, and I've learned receiving and shipping. So the great thing is I've been given a lot of opportunities that I don't think I would have gotten elsewhere.